If your payments on Cash App are being declined by your linked bank, you can try the following steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. Verify funds. Ensure that you have sufficient funds available in your linked bank account to cover the payment you're trying to make. Check your account balance and available funds to confirm. Update payment method. If the payment method linked to your Cash App account is outdated or no longer valid, update it with a valid payment method. Go to the banking section in Cash App and add a new debit card or bank account. Check card details. If you're using a debit card for payments, double check the card details entered in Cash App for accuracy. Ensure that the card number, expiration date, CVV, and billing address match the information on the card. Contact bank. Reach out to your bank's customer support to inquire about the reason for the declined payments. There may be security measures in place that are preventing the transactions, such as fraud protection or spending limits. Resolve bank issues. Address any issues or concerns raised by your bank, such as suspicious activity or account holds. Follow their instructions to resolve the issues and ensure smooth payment processing. Contact Cash App support. If the issue persists, contact Cash App customer support for further assistance. Provide details about the declined payments and any troubleshooting steps you've already taken.